Dogs from around the globe showcased their surfing skills on Saturday, August 4th, thriving during the World Dog Surfing Championships held at Pacifica State Beach in California. The event drew enthusiastic spectators as canine competitors rode the waves, offering a fun and lighthearted spectacle on the American West Coast.
So there'll be, we take them out, and Charlie, when he gets here. Babe. Babe is wearing a tutu.